today's video, I'm gonna unbox another birthday gift. So I had to decide quick what I wanted for my birthday. So I had a few things on my list. I wasn't sure what I wanted, and I feel like I was pressured into buying these, but it's all good. I love them. So let's just get into it. So I got these YSL shoes for my birthday. So let's open them up. And so I had my eye on these. I saw someone with like a pair of like a mustard brownish color. I don't know which one to call it. Caramel, I guess maybe like a caramel dress color. And I thought they were really cool. And then one day I went into the mall, I was in Bloomingdale's, and I saw the brown pair. And I posted the brown pair. The video kind of like went a little viral on TikTok. And I thought it was a very nice color. They were rich in color. And so yeah, so I went in the store. I was like, well, at least let me go in there and try them on and see if this is what I want. And so I went in the store, I tried them on, and then my husband convinced me to get them. So these are the YSL Suede Loafers, and they have like a crunch kind of front here. And they're suede, they're really cute. I feel like they can go with so many things because they're like brown and they're like a neutral in a sense. And so I'll show you the other foot. The other foot has a little like emblem on it. Really cute, dainty, discreet kind of YSL symbol on them. And they're just amazing. The quality, the sole, the quality, the leather of the sole is just amazing. The suede is nice and soft. I think it needs to be broken in a little bit. I did have to size up. I'm usually like a 9. I got a 9.5. I felt like the 10 would probably be too big because it was slipping off the back of my foot. The shoe was slipping off the back. So I went with the 9.5, and they're just amazing. I feel like I have so many things that they can go with. I tried them on with jeans in the store. I initially had on sweatpants and I was like, yeah, this ain't it. But then I tried on a pair of jeans in the store and they look really nice with the jeans, although they were pretty long. And then I got a couple of pieces. That I thought would pair well with the shoes. So let me show you guys. And I gotta carry this up for my battery die. So I think it would look really nice with, these are like, not a dark denim, but like a medium wash denim. So it look really nice with the denim. I got this brown corduroy blazer. I thought the shoes would look really nice with the blazer and the jeans. Really nice together. I recently picked up this striped brown and white shirt. Again, because of the shoes. I think it would be really nice with some denim. And a blazer. Like, this is a whole look right here. That's a whole look. And this would also go well. The lighter wash with the pink and the brown go really nice together for spring. Because again, it's still like a little cool, chilly out. And even if I wanted to like wear the rugby with the pink and the burgundy and the brown and some denim, I think this look would be really nice as well. So I got a couple of pieces in mind that the shoes can go with, and I think I'll be able to style them really well. I think they're very good quality of shoe, and I think they will last quite a while. And so I just have to wear them. Now that the snow is kind of gone, and I know with spring we'll have some rain, but I think I can kind of wear them now that the weather has broke slightly a little bit. And then I'll be able to wear them in the fall as well. So So I'm gonna definitely get my money's worth. Definitely get my money's worth. And yeah, I think these are just a nice quality shoe. Now, there are a couple of dupes out there. Zara has a dupe, and they're nice, but they really don't compare in terms of quality. The sole of the Zara shoes are really like cheap. It's like polyurethane kind of sole. They are suede, the Zara ones, but there's no comparison. These are a nice quality shoe that will last for a while. Some years, you'll have them for years. The Zara ones, I feel like they may fall apart. They're nice to kick around in, but you know, if you wanted another color, I would guess you could probably get a dupe, but I think buying the YSL shoes would be a nice, you know, nice little quality piece to have that will last a while. So that's my take. That's my unboxing. And in terms of the service in the store, the young lady, she was really nice. They offered us champagne. It was my birthday when we went in there. They offered us champagne. She was really nice, patient, and I really loved the service in the store. So that was great. That was a plus. And then my husband was like, just get a biscuit. So he was treating me, so I just got it. And so yeah, these are the shoes. Tell me if you guys like them. Comment below. I'll pop up another color that they have, which are really nice. And yeah, that's all I got. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. All right, bye.